So are we live? Hello, hello. Let me check voice. If voice is coming. Hello. Okay, let's go. Sorry. Today, we are gonna solve this contest. So it's live now. Okay, so let's register and then get into it. Okay, let's join. Let's see what today. Find the score difference in a game. Today, medium question. What? Okay, all are medium questions. Okay, we will- So here's the question. Uh, You are given an integer array nums where nums I represents the points scored in the ith game. There are exactly two players. Initially, the first player is active and the second is player is inactive. Okay, and the rules apply sequentially for each game I. If nums I is odd, the active and inactive swap roles. Okay, in every sixth game, like that is game indices 5, 11, 17, the active and inactive player swaps. The active player ith game plays the ith game and gains num I points. Return the score difference defined as the first player's total score minus second player's total score. Okay, we got it. Initially perspective. If num size is odd, active and inactive players swap the roles. We have to return the score difference, like uh, score minus the second player's total score. Okay, so yeah, I assume that first player is active by default, right? Game 0 since the points are odd. Yeah. Okay, nums game 0. The second player becomes active and okay. It's by default, it is not defined that we have to like take the first player as active one. It will be decided on the index zeros points. So game 1 no swap, the second player gains nums 2 equals to 2 points. Since the points are odd, the first player becomes active and gains 3 points. The score difference is 0. But is it like just a simulation? Let me check. Let me just have a look. 2, 4. Let's chat. Just a second. I need to like hide my code. Yeah, it's We should not be showing codes during the contest. Yeah, thank god I just it just kicked me. Okay, so after the contest, code will be shown. Okay, so here 2 4. Yeah, why it's so thick? Yeah, leave it. 2 4 2 1 2 1. So here is P1 P2. The rules are odd, swap, or what? I equals to 5 11, then swap. So here it's 0 1 2 3 4 5. So here at it, even points. So player one will get 2. Sorry. Okay, then it is plus 4 plus 2. Now it will swap, and this will get 1. This will get 2. Now it will swap, and this will get 1. So 4 4 8 1 9 minus 3 equals to 6. Eh? But hey, I have to take care of the index as well. Shade. I forgot one thing. Index also swaps it. Okay. Wait. It's just a simulation now, I think. Okay. It will be player one will gain 2. Is it about the odd index? No. It will be 4, then 2, then it's odd points, so it will swap it, will get 2, and here it's 5, like index minus 1 divided by 6. So it will again swap it, and minus 3 6. What? Why it's not like coming to 0? First player will get 2. First player gains 2, then 4. Okay, then 2. Got it. Then it's odd point, so it will also get this point, and like, so here it was like second player game 4. So 1 2 3 4. Second player's gains 2 points about it. Since the points are odd and rolls, then because this is sixth game, the swap again. Okay, this is the thing. We have to consider both because this is the sixth game and player swaps again. The second player gains. Okay. Now I got it. So it's just a simulation game. We have to just take care of the simulation. Okay. Just 1 second. If something happens, I just have to. So let me just see the constraints. Length is then nums is then 1000 10 to the power 6. It will be under integer range. And score 1 is equal to 0, and score 2 equal to 0. And the bool P1 active, right? Bool P1 active equals to what? False. So for equals to 0, let's go nums dot size है ना, let it be index. Okay. Oh, I should start with 1 if nums 0 modulo 2 equals to 0. So I'm just checking the index 0. If index 0 is even, then p1 active not equals to p1 active na, and then score 1 plus equals to nums of 0. That's simple. If it's not the case, else p2 score equals to num 0. So the first preference will be of index, and the second preference will, sorry, the first preference will be of its parity, like even parity or odd parity. Then second preference will be given to index. If p1 active, if p1 is active and nums of I modulo 2 equals to 0, I will be having two conditions. Array. Shit. Here is the bracket. Okay. So if p1 is active and nums1 is, but it doesn't matter actually. So I think I should just check first if idx plus 1 modulus 6 equals to 0. If this is the case, p1 will be inactive. So if it is the case, I just have to reverse the roles. So p1 active will be equals to, like, not of p1 active, है ना? This is the thing. Then I have to check the nums. If nums index 0 to equals to 0, core 1 plus equals to nums of index. This is the thing. Nah. So if it's like देखो, index is divided by 2, then I have to swap it. If that nums is even, that 1 will be added. Else, if it is not the case, then what? Again, p1 will be swapped. Is it? If it is odd, then again it will be swapped first. So P1 active not equals to P1 active, and but there is one problem here. How do I know? है ना? How do I know which one is active at that moment? Just made one mistake here. We just correct it. We go. The simulation is also a bit trickier, I think. So yeah, if index is active, if nums of denote 2 equals to 0 and p1 is active, yeah, this will be the case, then core plus 1 equals to num index. Now it's right. If p1 is active, right, p1 will be active and index will be this, so this will be there. Otherwise, in either cases, so then what can happen, like p1 is active but index is not divisible by 2, like odd parity. So we have to use else if sums of 2 equals to 0 and not p1 active, then right. Okay, I need to think it structure again. If nums index is divided by 2 and p1 is active, right, what can happen, like 2 p1 is active and index is divisible to score will be right, and it will not be swapped. Else if nums index equals to 2 is there but p1 is inactive, it means what? Equals to nums of index. This is the case, and do anything else can happen. So if index is this and it's like p2 is active, then it will be as added in p2. Else what is left here, else if nums index modulo 2 not equals to 0, this is the case, then what will happen? So what I checked, divided by 2, it means index is not divisible by 2. So what will be there, first of all it will be swapped, है ना, will be swapped. So not of p1 active, p1 active, right, it's first, then if p1 active, then score 1, else sorry, else score 2. So this first part is done. Then this is the thing. This is the thing. And what? Now if score, sorry, not score. I have to check elemental. X modulo 2 equals to 0. If this is the case, I don't have to do nothing. So just add it into the player 1 score. Yes, okay. Else P1 active, I need to swap it. And then score, player 2 score will be added, right? This thing. Oh, fine. I think this is enough according to my. So I have to return what score 1, score 2. Okay, there is something that not operator. Where we just see CPP not operator, not operator. See, giving me problem. Okay, I just need to apply of active. Active. Here also I have to do it not of active. Let me check. P1 active, not active will be true. Is this thing? अरे यार, this will actually cause problem. Whenever this loop is what? Okay, let me check first. If it's running or not. To score. Okay, yeah, score 1, right? This is the mistake here. I just meshed this code. Not of P1 active. this I have to do it, then is it this? It will be this. If it is this, it will be this. Right? I think now it's quite and simple. Will be score 2, will be score 1. It gave me 0. Then in the second test case, what? It should have given 4 instead of 8, right? It's -1, but okay, something is like fishy here. And score 1 equals to 0. 2 will be 0. Will P1 active? That is false. P1 is active? No. P2 is active? No. So if nums 0 modulo 2 equals to 0, I okay, I have to switch it to 2 and then score will be added. Uh, was it the mistake? It's -1, it's 8, it's -2. Why it's just giving me that error? Okay, that's error. It was quite simple, but why core 1 is this? Did I missed something? Did I miss something? Um, okay, here also I need to make it active or what? P1 is active, else okay, this thing, if that P1 is this, P1 will become active. This will be the case. Then I have started with this thing, and if it's the case, it will swap the roles. Then what to say, like this was supposed to be simple. It's not. Let it make it true, then what? It's true. Have to this is the thing. Uh, okay, this is the extra check. I should not enforce this check. This is the it. Extra check isn't necessary. Nums one, that's the thing. Okay, like I can just use this as a flow, that if I modulo to equals to 0, I modulo to equals to 0, then I can just swap it, and then I can check if 5 plus 1 modulo 6 equals to 0. Then I have to swap it. Where if p1, like if p1 is active, s1 will be there. So this can be the exact flow. To equal to 0, p1 active will be there. This thing, if the modulo 6 equals to 0, then p1 will be swapped of 1 active. If p1 is active, score 1 will be added, else score 2 will be added. I think now it should work. One at work. Okay, array giving me 6. Now it's the code has become even more worse. What the heck? Yeah, this is the thing. Okay, I'm just making it thing. This modulo 2, that will be this. P1 equals to not, yes. And minus 4. What am I doing here? Sorry. It was supposed to be a simple thing. Shit. Why? I just enforcing the check here. Nums I modulo 2, and it will be. Arre yaar. I think I have just made it 0. Okay. Should be 1. Okay, now it's working fine. I have just placed 1. Sorry, I have placed 0 instead of 1. Okay, so this is done after so much time of debugging. Let's go to this check digitorial permutation. So we are given an integer n and a number is called digitorial if sum of factorials of its digit is equal to number itself. Okay. Determine whether any permutation of n including the original orders forms a digitorial number. Return true if such a permutation exists, otherwise return false. Okay, like it's given I will be means the number will be 10 raised to the power 9. It means at max it can have 9 digits, and 2 raised to the power 9, like 1 0, so 512 combinations. I can just do it in brute force about that. Okay, let's see. So first number I am given as 145. 145 is given here. So 1 plus, like 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial. What is this? Will it give like 1 plus 4 3 12 plus 24 plus 120. That will be 145. Nah. So this is the case. I have to make any combination. So for any digit, how many combinations I can get? Like for 3, 1. So here I will be having what, 3 choices. So 3. Here I will be having 2 choices. Here I will be having only 1 choices. So 6. So almost what will be like 9. It's 3 factorial. So how many I can get? 9 digit. It means 9 factorial combinations. Do I need to check all those combinations, like explore all those combinations? It will be like 512 combinations at max. And can I like use recursion for this? or can I use some mathematics here? Okay, can I do another question? Because let me just take it first. I I I know that previous question was simple, but I was only complicating it. It was damn simple. It was me who just made it worse. I need to just in the factorial. If I can find any of the what I have to do, what I can do here. Just a second, and guys. Let me check if voice is. How much time is left? 48 minutes. Can I do only two questions? Am I doing here? If the sum of factorials of a digit is determined with any permutation of including the original number, if such permutation exists, this is an. Eh, why do I need any complex? Why am when doing it? I just need to make a function here, factorial. I think it's simple. Be in integer range and to real if num equals or 0, num is less than or equal to 1 to return 1, else I have done num into to. So this is the factorial. I just need to get each digit and find its factorial. Right? So int fact equals to 0. Till greater than 0, I think I have figured out till num is greater than 0. So int digit equal to, like, if I have 149, not 149, 145. mm, so I need to extract each and every digit and find the factorial and sum it. If it's so, here we go. If I get it, digit is equal to uh int equals to n, right? It is equal to num modulo 10 to find it. So fact this equals to factorial of num, right? Sorry, digit. This is the thing. Then I have to num equals to by 10 if by chance this factorial is greater than, will it be greater than, leave this check. I need to just perform two checks, right? This I got it, I find the factorial, then I just 14 will be there. This is these, return equals to n. Will it work? It's giving me 145. Oh, it's giving false, it's giving false. But some problem is there, but comes is like one, I have to return one to return. This is also right, this is right. Total equals to 0, now equals to n. This is the, it should be greater than always. Digit is equal to number 10, and I did it if I, this is the, instead of I did it right. Yeah. Max digit factorial. This is 4 to an long. Facing the game. They didn't knew I was giving contest. So okay. So This was supposed to be a simple thing, but num should be greater than 0. Why? 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 It's not getting, yaar. Sometimes it's frustrating. Na? Fuck. It's giving me false. I'm not understanding why it's giving me. This is the optimized version, right? Working right. This num is less than equals to 1, return equal to 1, return 1, and return num into factorial of num into factorial of num minus 1. This is it, and it will return like what, integer? It should return long, right? So this may be a problem. After doing it working. It's not working here. Where is the problem lying? Really, num equals to num by 10. This is also I'm doing here. Arey yaar, why I'm doing num here? It will be factorial. I'm comparing the wrong variable. It was supposed to be simple, right? Oh, but output is false. Eh? 415. 15. It's coming false. Oh, I'm not getting it, yaar. Did I missed something in the question? Because most of the test cases are passed. Like 55 test cases are not getting passed. Number is called digitorial. It's a materials of a digit is equal to the data on whether any permutation. Any permutation means what? Permutation is rearrangement of all digits of a number that does not start zero. No, but it's not starting with zero only. What is the difference between like 415 and 145? What is this? The number itself is digitorial since this is the thing. 10 is not digitorial since 1 factorial plus 0 factorial equals to 2 not equals to 10, and the permutation 01 is invalid because it starts with 0. Then okay, if any of the digit contains 0, then I need to check it. Okay, it was way complex than I thought. Okay, okay. This test is complexity of the entity, right? Commutation needs to be checked or what? What do I need to enforce? Okay, I can do something too, but can I just use something? Use it. I need to check the valid permutation as well, right? Okay, just do it. I need to check. I need to check the validity of the commutation as well, right? We can just check it. Let's just enforce this validity check and it will work. It will be there. But why this? This I should declare it. Then I need to check this. This check if to string what is equal to string and dot size. To check, I need to is 0 and is it working fine? Then this thing n comma 0 and frequency. What? Okay, this is, yeah, I need to check the frequency, right? And here it also be frequency 2 and 10 comma 0. This is the thing. Budget plus, okay, then to return what? Frequency 1 equal 2. This, will it be like fine? Will it be okay? Uh, Equal to 0 at one time has, अरे यार, okay, this fact, okay, this is the thing, will be frequency 2. Am I submitting it? It's true, it false. I hope this works. Finally, one uh, wrong submission. Two questions. Can I do it? Count sequences. Minimum bitwise or can I solve two questions over here? Two questions are done, and it's okay. So this third question, it needs what? And is like maximum bitwise or after rearrangement. So you are given two binary strings s and t and each of length n. Okay. Uh, I think the network is gone. 1 second, guys. There might be a network issue. Is it gone or it's what? Why it's buffering now? It okay, okay. I think it's fine. It's fine. My network is yeah, my network is like hell. On the last 2 days, like 5G is not coming and my LAN is not working. Okay, so it just got and just connected. 1 second. Okay, now network is back. Finally. Okay, just a minute. So what the question is asking? You are given two binary strings. Okay, it's given in string s and t each of length and you may rearrange the characters of t in any order, but s must remain unchanged. Return a binary string of length and representing the maximum integer value obtained by taking bitwise XOR of s and arranged. Return a binary string of t. Sorry, return a binary string of length n. Okay, representing maximum integer value obtained by taking bitwise XOR of s and arranged t. This test case will make it clear. So s s is s equals to 101. What the heck they are doing? 101 and t equals to 011. है. So the optimal rearrangement of t is, according to it, it is 011. The bitwise or of s arrange and arrange bitwise or like ones or one will be one, zeros or one will be one, and ones or one will be one. Sorry, ones or one. So 110. I got 110. So I have to rearrange what value obtained by taking to bitwise of XOR and arrange. I can arrange t. T can be arranged, and then we have to do this bitwise XOR 101. T is equal to 011. And is it the binary string of 0 and 1 only? The string given is of zeros and ones only. S can be arranged. So I have to do like what? I have to place ones under 0 and 0 under ones. If I can maximize this permutation, I can get the maximum possible value, and this should be start. I should start doing this from the front side, है ना? Because front side value will be greater. Okay, so I think we just take it like s equals to 0110 and my t is 1011. So here I am here at 0, so I can get one. I took one here, then I got one here, So I took this 0 here, then I got 1. Do I have any zeros left? No. Then this, uh, and then this. So 1011, 1101. What? The optimal arrangement of T is 1010. T is 1 zeros. Array yaar, this I took this thing. Yeah, no. T is equal to 1001. So I have to rearrange T. What do I have to return? 4. Sorry, not 4. I have to arrange the rearranged T. So my pointer is here. So it's, I can place anywhere. I'm just try running it. So it's 0. So 1 must come. So 1 come. So this 1 is done. Then it's 1. So if any 0 is there, 0 will be there. 0. Anna. Then 1. Any 0 exist? Yes, exist. So it will come. And here it's 0. So here 1. So it will come. Mm, 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 mm. Don't do it. Let me just note down the test case first. 0 1 0 1, and t is 1001. So here it's 0. So if any 1 exists, 1 should be here. 1 is here. If any 1 exists here, so 1 is gone. Then I can do it in using map or what. So it 0 will be there, then 1 will be there, 1 and then 0. So 1010. I think I can use map here. Okay, map, unordered map, string, sorry, character comma, character comma, int be there, t for is equal to 0 less than t dot size plus plus. So t of t of t of I plus plus, because it contains only zeros and ones. What's your lead code username, buddy? Astronoir. My lead code name is Astronoir and A is capital. I will show you after the contest. 16 minutes are left and I should finish it. So this is the case. Now for equals to 0, as dot size, I plus plus. So if I should check the, is there any edge case, like if the length is not okay, both of each of length and so I no need to check the length. Now if s of a equals to 1, s of I equals, so let me just take a temporary answer string answer equals to nothing, right? Then if it's equals to 1, if MVP of MVP dot count dot count 1 not equals to 0. What do I need to do? First of all, I need to decrease the count of 1. Then I have to add answer plus equals to s of right s of I, else count of those will be decremented and answer will be s of s of 1. Can do it character 1 else pp dot and I have to decrement that count as well with this. Otherwise, count of decremented. Will it work for return answer? भाई पहले तो मैं जीरो है यूज काउंट कर लो या आई एम डूइंग द सेम थिंग. I'm actually doing the same thing. What is giving me one. Okay, there is some issue here in the logic. Yeah, its window is too big, right? Just hit small. Just wait. What work? I'm using the map. Hey, yaar. Okay, no problem. Just let me do it. Got the thing because hey, again that thing just happened. Here, why the code is live? Shit. Why that contest code should not be live, right? Fuck. Should not be live, bro. Was my mistake. That's why I think why I was thinking that how you are able to see my code. I need to use it greedily, right? Let it be 13 and much time, like 9 minutes. Can I do it? Can I do it? Once, twos, I can just. I don't know how that window switched. Damn it, which I. Let me just take out that map with one and once equals to 0 and 0 equals to 0. Yeah, this is the if p of a is once plus else thing. This greedily I need to do it. First I should just do those like from the front. So I need to run two loops for character or chars in T. First of all, I need to take care of those ones. If c equals to 0 and 1 says c equals if 1 says great minus 1. If this is not the case, else 0 0 minus 0 will be minus minus else equals to 1. If 0 is greater than yeah, where is my else? If zeros if 0 is greater than 0, 0 is greater then answer will be 0 and 0 will be minus, else it will be, where is that else part? Else equals to ones, and ones will be minus minus, just return it's as t. If ones are zeros, zeros, ones are ones. अरे यार, again this code is live. What the heck is happening? So this window gets switched up. Is 110. What the heck is this? 3 minutes left, and it's just three minutes only, and wait, I'm doing it in the wrong way. It will be C and it will be S. Let's see. One. And this is switched or what? अरे यार, this should not be live actually. 2 minutes. Thing is not getting correct. If 0 is greater than 0, answer will be 0, else will be 1, and ones will be minus this, and where it's getting defeated, where it's getting stuck, it should be 110, and uh, yeah, post test case should be 110. Abey output, it's coming in reverse. fucked up. 2 questions. Not bad, not bad. At least 2 questions are done. Let me just check my rankings. Hello guys. Hello Nitin brother. So guys, 2 questions are solved. The third, I was just stuck in debugging of. I was just stuck in debugging. Yeah, I will try this question. Like why it was not passing this test case, but that's not an issue. I'm just learning. In learning phase, I'm trying to perform under time constraints. So let me see my rankings. In the previous week's contest, I just got it. Rebro. I think today I'm also this contest is also going to give me negative ratings. In the previous contest, I got -6 rating. My rating was like 1450 and now it's 1444. Sorry, 1444. I think this contest is also going to give me. Let me refresh it because I have just got that 5 minute penalty as well. Finally, today network is good. Like it was better. 1670. Will it be like updated or this is it? So guys, how many questions you have solved and what are your rankings? Like I have just solved 2 questions. See this first one and the second one. First one I got in 35 minutes and that another question I got in like another 25 to 30 minutes. So I'm giving contests daily for the practice, for the time practice. uh, you see all guys, I don't know how these guys are getting this ranking. That is my ranking. What the fuck is happening? I thought what happened. So guys, tell me how many questions you have solved. Let me just check if my voice is clear. Am I audible guys? Hello, hello. Okay, okay, got it. Voice is clear. Guys, do comment and just interact with me. Like, how many questions you solved? I'm asking. Yeah, that was pretty cool contest. Like, bit ranking 19. Oh, I have a dream of just going into that night. I have to achieve that night badge. Okay, did not find it. Okay, it's fine, fine. It was just disconnected. Okay, this network, yeah. Come on. Saying that that timer is 15 minutes behind. Fine. So today's contest is done. है ना? How many questions you guys have managed to solve? Hmm. And that page, leave it. That page is not